Hey there, my name's Drew Brashler, and in this video, I want to show you how to customize your Behringer Wing fader banks. Now, if you're brand new to my channel, I'm all about helping you feel more confident with your production gear, no matter where you're starting from. Also, if you're looking for some more tips and tricks, I have a weekly newsletter over at audiotoolkit.co, where you can get some of my favorite tips and tricks sent to your email inbox every week, and it's for free. But let's go ahead and dive into this video and figure out how we can customize our wing. Now, if you have the Behringer Wing Compact, you are limited to your 12 faders right here in the middle and your single fader on the right. Now, if you have a Behringer Wing full size, then you have your 12, your 8, and your 4. And this same thing can be utilized on any of the Behringer Wings, including the wing rack. So if you want to customize your faders here, we have our user layers down here on the left-hand side. So you can go ahead and select your user layers, and I can custom control any of the faders that I want to and add in anything that I want to on this. And we have our ability of moving over and having up to 24 faders in our user layers. And this is great. Now, to edit our layers, what we want to do is we want to press View in this section, and then up here we can press Config. And now I have the ability of changing what faders I have or what channels I have on each fader. So for instance, if I wanted to have click instead of these vocals, I can go ahead and drag these out, and I can just go ahead and add in click. So now I have my click track. Or if I want to add in those vocals again, so here's vocal 1, 2, 3, and 4, I can then go and drag this down, and there's my 4 vocals. Now, if we want to go and adjust the faders over, we can hit this, and we can do all 24 faders in this user layer. Now, the other little tidbit is that we can actually put this in every layer of our board. So I have my channels 1 through 12, and I could go drop my click track directly in the middle of my drums. And so we can see that now I have 1 through 4 as my drums, and then I have my click track. And the other nice thing is it just moved my channel 13 over. So I can add in channels on any of these faders that I want to. And I can also remove channels from these layers as I want to. So we can now see that I only have my channels 1 through 4, and my 13 is right there. So there we go. So I only have my 1 through 4 now. So if I needed to add in my channels again, I know that I'm on channel 1 through 12, and I can go find that I'm missing 5 through 12, and I can just drop those right there. Now, the other really cool thing about this is I can add in bus sends for a channel, for instance. So I have my channel 1 here, and I wanted to have the bus send for my bus 10 from channel 1. And so all I have to do is go and select bus 10 on my sends, and I can now drag my kick out down here, and now I have my kick out, my P16 drum send for this fader itself. And so if I now go back to my home, select this channel, go over here, I can adjust this fader up and down, which is the bus send for my kick drum. So there is a lot of functionality inside of this console. I can not only put any channel anywhere that I want, I can also put a DCA, I could also put a main or a matrix or a bus send or a bus to bus send on a fader. So you can do whatever you want to with these layers. Now, I hope this video was helpful for you today. If you do happen to have any questions, or there's a video that you're hoping that I would make on the Behringer Wing, or really any of the other production equipment that's out there, please post that comment in the comment section down below, as I'm always reading through those comments to find videos that are helpful for you. If you haven't already, make sure to check out my website at drewbrashler.com, where I have some custom presets made for the Behringer Wing that you can purchase and download for your console to get some of my favorite settings for anywhere from an alto saxophone to a kick drum to a snare to a trumpet. So head over to drewbrashler.com and check those out. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day.